If you're making cocktails for date night, there's a real chance you're trying too hard. Tonight, I want to show you a whiskey cocktail that actually works. Not loud, not sweet, not a flex, just confident.
This is whiskey therapy. Raise it up, let it set you free. Every sip is a memory.
Welcome back to Whiskey Therapy, where we don't drink to impress, we drink with intention. Here's the mistake I see all the time. Date night shows up, and suddenly everything gets complicated. Egg whites, smoke guns, 5 bottles on the counter. That's not romantic. That's stressful. A date night cocktail should do 3 things: be easy to drink, smell incredible, and quietly signal you know what you're doing. This drink isn't about impressing your date, it's about removing friction from the moment. Here's the rule: nothing sharp, nothing aggressive, nothing confusing. High proof? Out. Heavy smoke? Out. Hyper bitter aperitifs? Also out. Date night whiskey should feel warm, balanced, quietly impressive. This is the drink I reach for when I want the night to start right. I call it the first pour. Start with 2 ounces of a lower proof bourbon or rye. Think round, not hot. Woodford Reserve, Elijah Craig's small batch, anything in that lane. Add a 1/4 ounce of rich demerara syrup. Just enough sweetness to soften the edges, not enough to turn it into dessert. Now, this is where the character comes in. A 1/4 ounce of Amaro Nonino. It adds warmth, a little orange, a little spice, and it makes the drink feel considered without being complicated. One dash of Angostura bitters, 1 dash of orange bitters. Stir gently. We're not rushing this. Strain over a large cube or sphere of ice. Express an orange peel, wipe the rim, drop it in, and then walk away. This cocktail works because it doesn't dominate the room. It smells good when you bring it over, it tastes familiar, but better than expected, and it never asks for attention. It lets the moment be the focus. And that's usually the difference between a good date night and a memorable one. A couple quiet pro tips. Make the drink before they arrive. Serve it with something simple: nuts, olives, dark chocolate, and don't explain the drink unless they ask. Confidence is quiet. Pour something intentional. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing. I'm Whiskey Therapy. Thanks for watching, y'all. I'll see you next time. Cheers.
When the glass runs low and the night runs deep, we're still pouring truth we don't gotta keep. From the burn to the